Hey guys, Little Shy Wolf Swag here. I've been opening a lot of boxes off camera. I think I might be addicted. But this one was expensive and interesting, so we'll open it on camera. 2019 Money in the Bank. That is what makes it interesting right there. You can get it on Amazon or eBay. It's just these two little bitty boxes inside a bigger box. So let's see what we get in this first one. See, it comes in 6 packs. Paul Heyman, Samoa Joe, Tony Nese, Braun Strowman, and a bronze Randy Orton. Becky Lynch, Booker T, Paige, Money in the Bank Kofi Kingston innovates ladder stilts to try to retrieve the briefcase card, and a bronze Aiden English. Ooh, there's a hit in this one. Sonya Deville, a bronze Brock Lesnar, and here's our hit. A Jimmy Uso shirt relic out of 99. That should mean the rest of them are autographs. The Miz, Shelton Benjamin, Luke Gallows, another of those match cards, a purple base Daniel Bryan numbered out of 25, Randy Orton, Aiden English, Brock Lesnar, Cash-In Moments John Cena, and a bronze Ember Moon. Ember Moon, Callisto, Matt Hardy, bronze Callisto, and our last hit. An autograph of Matt Hardy out of 25. This is a pretty good box so far. Let's see what our other two hits are. This was $114 on the Topps website, but it was sold out. However, you can get them on Amazon for about $75 or eBay for $62 something. R-Truth, Tyler Breeze, Jimmy Uso, John Cena, Bronze Matt Hardy, Finlay, Curtis Axel, Bailey, Money in the Bank matches card, Bronze R-Truth, Alexa Bliss, Lacey Evans, Lord Tensai, our hit that I'll show in a minute, and a bronze Jimmy Uso. It's just a Kevin Owens out of 199. There's the back. Ricochet, Nia Jax, Titus O'Neil, Brock Lesnar wins Money in the Bank, and an out of 99 green Andrade base. Mandy Rose, Asuka, Bobby Lashley, Cash In Moments Brock Lesnar, and a bronze Tyler Breeze. Ooh. A bronze Finlay, and an autographed matte relic autograph of Nakamura out of 50. So not too bad. I didn't pull any needs of people I collect, but just to go over what we pulled. In the first pack, we pulled this Jimmy Uso shirt relic out of 99. This purple base Daniel Bryan out of 25. And this Matt Hardy autograph out of 25, which happens to be number 1 out of 25. And in the second box, we pulled this out of 199 Kevin Owens autograph. This green out of 99 Andrade base. And this out of 50 Nakamura autographed relic. So not too bad for 75 bucks, I guess. I just wish I would have pulled some base or something of people I collect. Anyway, that's it for this video. I have more coming in the mail that I may or may not film. Bye, guys.